traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. I've been talking about this 1, 2, 3 pattern for what seems like a year now. I have been saying for this whole time the 161.8 Fibonacci extension is the most likely area for this to stop at, and we are getting closer to that 161.8, and then we're probably going to make a bigger pullback for the wave 4, then another push up for the wave 5. But since this is the monthly time frame, this is still probably going to take at least 6 to 8 months to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think the 61.8 is the more likely area for this to stop at, which is right around the 25.50 area, 25.40. Most likely what's going to happen is it's going to go up to there, then it's probably going to start a pretty decent move to the downside for a big old wave 4, then probably back up for a wave 5. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it barely even started to 50% Fibonacci. I was thinking that we'd probably get a bigger area of resistance right there. But man, the trend is very strong to the upside. The most recent structure level is way down here. I personally, as a trend trader, would only be looking for longs right now, and I'm only looking to go long on pullbacks on shorter time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, if you've been following along with my videos for a while, then you've probably been having some pretty nice long trend trades on pretty much all these dollar pairs because they've been trending pretty decently. What am I doing right now? I am waiting patiently for more pullback entries to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last little push up right here. Now it only went down to the 23%, so you would kind of think that this move down was likely a wave A, and that this move up was likely a wave B, and that it would go down again for a wave C. Especially with that 50% Fibonacci level being here, you would expect to see a decent pullback. Now the problem is, which is also why I have no desire to go short right now. The problem is that sometimes what you think is a wave B is not a wave B, and it just keeps on trending up, which is why I do not try to short any of these corrections, because I would much prefer to just wait for 1, 2, 3 waves down to a Fibonacci level and then go long again for the continuation of these uptrends. When you trade with the trend, you have a way higher probability of being correct, and you have a way higher probability of being a consistently profitable trader, which is why I'm only looking to go long, and I'm only looking to go long on three-way pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces, and golfing moves to the upside, preferably a breaker structure. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.